very good morning to everyone. Miss Rita here. Children, in today's video, we are going to solve worksheet. Children, question number 1 is given in your worksheet. Choose the correct alternative from the given below each statement. The first one is given. If all pairs of adjacent sides of a quadrilateral are congruent, then it is called dash. Options are given: rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium and rhombus. Student, all the pair of adjacent sides are congruent. The given options is rhombus. The second one is given. The measure of angle of a triangle are in the ratio 5:6:7. Then the largest angle of the triangle has the measure. Options are given: 60 degree, 70 degree, 50 degree and 80 degree. Student, let's take the common multiple be x. So 5x plus 6x plus 7x equal to 180 degree. The measure of all the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So total we get 18x equal to 180. X equal to 180 divided by 18, we get the value of x is 10. But the largest ratio is given 7. So 7x equal to 7 multiplied by 10. 7 10 ja 70. So our correct answer is 70. The third one is given. In the parallelogram PQRS, angle Q is given 50 degree. Then angle P equal to dash. And options are given: 50 degree, 130 degree, 90 degree and 40 degree. Children, angle Q plus angle P equal to 180 degree. They form adjacent angle, and adjacent angles are supplementary. Substitute the value of angle Q is 50 degree plus angle P equal to 180 degree. 50 will move to the right side, become minus. 180 minus 50 degree, we get 130 degree. So our correct answer is 130 degree. Now fourth one, the point of concurrence of all bisector of a triangle is called the dash. So student, while making a bisector of a triangle, the points of concurrence is we call circumcenter. Now children, now question number 2, solve the following. The first question is given. Distance of chord AB from the center of a circle is 8 cm. Length of the chord AB is given 12 cm. Find the diameter of the circle. So first of all, we will write given information. Here we have to find the diameter of a circle. Here we will draw a radius OA. So take point M on segment AB such that A and B are collinear. Now OM is perpendicular to the AB. Children, AB is given 12 cm, that is chord. As we know, perpendicular bisector drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisect the chord. It means AM equal to BM is 6 cm and OM is given 8 cm. We'll take triangle OAM is a right angle triangle. A Pythagoras theorem, square of OA equal to square of OM plus square of AM. Substitute the value of OM is given 8 and AM is given 6. Square of 8 is 64 and square of 6 is 36. So here we get addition 100. And the square root of 100 is 10. So OA we get 10 cm and our radius OA is 10. Here we have to find the diameter. As we know, diameter is the double of radius. So diameter equal to 2 into radius. 2 multiplied by 10, we get 20 cm. Therefore, diameter of a circle is 20 cm. Now children, second question is given. In quadrilateral IJKL, side IJ is parallel to side KL angle I is given 108 degree and angle K is given 53 degree. Then find the measure of angle J and angle L. Now children, in solution, quadrilateral IJKL is trapezium because one side is parallel. Now, side IJ is parallel to side KL and IL we will take transversal. So, angle I plus angle L equal to 180 degree. They form interior angle. Substitute the value of angle I 108 degree. Solve the sums. We get angle L equal to 72 degree. Same way, now IJ is parallel to side KL and JK is transversal. So angle J plus angle K equal to 180 degree. They form interior angle. Substitute the value of angle K 53 degree. Here we get the value of angle J is 127 degree. Now, third one is given in triangle PQR. Angle P is given 70 degree, Q is given 65 degree. Then find the angle R. So, given information you will write. Here we have to find the angle R. Solution. In triangle PQR, addition of all the three angles equal to 180 degree. And property is sum of measure of all angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Substitute the value of angle P and angle Q. Here we get addition of 70 and 65 is 135 degree. Therefore, angle R equal to 180 degree minus 135, we get 45 degree. Therefore, measure of angle R is 45 degree. And student, question number 4 is construction. I hope you know how to draw it. That is the homework for you. Now, question number 5. The perimeter of a parallelogram is 150 centimeter. Out of its side is one of its side is greater than the other side by 25 centimeter. Find the length of other side. Let the length of one side be x centimeter. According to the given condition, the length of other side is x plus 25 because it is greater by 25 centimeter. The perimeter of a parallelogram is given 150 centimeter. Perimeter means addition of all the four sides. So here we get 150 centimeter. Total how many x are there? 4x plus 25 plus 25 we get 50. Now 50 will go to the right side, become minus. Therefore 4x equal to 100. Now x equal to 100 divided by 4, we get the value of x is 25 centimeter. Length of one side is 25 centimeter. Therefore the length of other side was x plus 25 means the value of x is 25 plus 25, here we get 50 centimeter. The sixth one, in the figure, point X, Y, Z are the midpoint of segment A, B and side BC and side AC of triangle ABC respectively. AB is given 5 centimeter, AC is given 9 centimeter and BC is given 11 centimeter. Find the length of XY, YZ and XZ. Solution. X, Y, Z are the midpoint of segment AB, segment BC and segment AC. Children, as we know the property of midpoint theorem, XY will be the half of AC by the midpoint theorem. Substitute the value of AC is 9. So here we get the value of XY is 4.5 centimeter. Same way, YZ will be the half of AB by the midpoint theorem. Here we get YZ equal to 2.5 centimeter. The third one is given XZ with a half of BC. By the midpoint theorem, substitute the value of BC 11. Here we get xz equal to 5.5 centimeter. I hope you have understood this sum.